Alright, y'all, so today we are going to be putting a new seat foam and seat cover onto this 1991 Honda Z50R seat pan. As you can see, the old seat cover has taken the bite out of crime, and as an affiliate, the seat cover did too. So I went ahead and took the old one off because I'm sure y'all don't want to see me remove, 45 staples from the seat cover. So we won't see this anymore. So here we have the OEM seat pan, which is still in really good condition. And that's why I'm glad Honda moved from metal seat pans to plastic seat pans, because they live the test of time a whole lot better. And then we have the replica seat foam, which I got from eBay, and I will have a link in the description. And then we have the seat cover that I got from Retro Collections on eBay, and he actually lives like the next town over from me, but I just ordered on eBay because I didn't have time to meet him. And what I like about the seat cover is that the graphics match perfectly, and it actually has Honda on the back. So getting to the install, what I'm going to do first is that I'm going to spray this adhesive on the seat pan as well as the bottom of the seat foam. That way I don't have to worry about that moving. And then to attach the seat cover, I have my Harbor Freight central pneumatic, and for staples I am using the Harbor Freight central pneumatic 18 gauge, 1/4 inch length, 1/2 inch wide, which is probably just a little bit longer than the factory ones, but it should hold up just fine nevertheless. So let me get the seat foam attached, let it sit for a few minutes, and then I'll be back when we start to install the seat cover. Now this would be my first seat cover installment, so whatever I do wrong, just leave it in the comments and I'll try again next time, because I have a seat cover for my 125 with the metal seat pan I need to do, and then when I do my 83 200S Big Red, I will need to do a seat cover on that as well. So whew, let's get this a try. Let's see how it works.
Y'all would rather make me something like this, just pretty much replicate the spacer here. That way they both sit correctly, and those came out pretty damn good. I wouldn't say they're perfect. They're a little not pitted, but they have some deep scratches, obviously because they're used. We have just about everything except those in the shop. So we're gonna start building this thing now, trying to bang out as much as possible.
This is not working out, so any footage prior to this you will not see, because I think I have a path forward. So as you can see, has all these wrinkles and stuff right here. So I'm going to take the seat cover off. I'm going to throw it in the dryer for about 30 minutes, and then I'm going to show you the other way that I'm going to do this that should prevent all this right here in the middle. So when I get back, be ready. Hopefully it works. So I put it in the dryer for 30 minutes, and it's not even like, it's still room temp, so whatever. I'm not gonna waste another 30 minutes on this. All right, so what I'm going to do, the video that I watched, I think it was this old trike, he had lined up the Honda on the back first, and then he had put the front on. He was doing his on a 350X, not a Z50, but that's not going to work in my case, because if I put the Honda back here and staple it, I don't know if I can stretch this enough. Oh, maybe I can. All right, yeah, so I'll do that then. Yeah, I'm gonna get the Honda in place first, where it's sitting nice and even in the middle of the back, because this needs to be stationary. This needs to be here no matter what. So I think that is roughly in the middle. Good enough for government work, as some people may say. I think that's about as middle can get. So then I'm gonna take this. That ain't work. I gotta turn the pressure up on this. All right, so the compressor finally turned off. All right, so what I'm going to do now, the trick that I saw was that take your spray adhesive and spray it on the contour of the seat so that way it sticks to it. This old trike said don't put it on the sides, just put it basically like from here to there, so that way it sticks. You don't have to worry about having it bubble up in the middle. Oh, I probably shouldn't have put it in there, but and you technically oh shoot. You technically should let it sit for like 5 minutes so that it tacks up. Man, that's a lot of yeah, I just seamstress and people who do upholstery are just very special people. But I guess once you know, and once you are expert at it, you know it's not hard after that. Little stuff like this is easy to them, I'm sure, because they just know how it works. So after this, I just need to tug and pull to get everything where it's sitting nice. So it's just a tug and pull game at that point. But as we can see, it is no longer puffing up in the middle, which is nice. Probably should have put a little bit more on that side. Yeah, but now it is just a tug and pull game of getting all the extra out. Woo, look at that. All right, I should put some right there. All right, so since this side looks pretty good, I'm gonna go ahead and throw some staples in here because this side looks pretty good. Woo, but that was a lot of headache. But I can see the light at the end of the tunnel now. All right. So like I said, it's just a game of just tugging, pulling and rolling, and everything is tight. All right, so like that looks good. All right, so now let's do the same thing for this. We'll see that is dragging across the bottom, so I don't want to tuck this way under, so that means I probably have too much slack on this side, so I'm gonna have to take these loose and then stretch this across to get the slack out of here. So let me go ahead and throw some staples in this. Like I said, I'm nowhere close to being a professional if you can't tell. But at the end of the day, I'm confident that if I can figure this out, you can figure this out. I mean, that's just it is what it is. If I can figure it out, you can figure it out. Because I'm nowhere close. This is literally my first time doing a seat. But this is giving me the confidence to do the seat on my 125M, my 85 125M, and my 200, my 83 200 ES Big Red. Because those seats, I feel like, are going to be a little bit more complicated than this one. I'm trying to pull that. All right, so I got to figure out how to get this out. Because I'm not sure. How am I getting this out? All right, there's not a staple right there. Survey says, woo, boy, look at that. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Oh. Side profile. Side profile. The back. What? Oh, that is crazy. All right, let's finish it up. Oh, I'm excited. Oh man, now I gotta figure out how to do these corners so it don't look like crap. All right, so I'm gonna tuck the inside and roll it over. Damn, that looks good. What did I do? I don't know if I should staple this down flat. If I should cut it and tuck it up. The A is a little, it's not completely straight. Look at that. Look, man. Oh, let me finish stapling. Get all the stuff right out the way. Man, I am proud of this. What in the world? Do I need to turn? Is it because I got a Harbor Freight joint, or is my pressure just too low? My regulated pressure. Oh, I should have tucked that before, but whatever. Man, I'm so hyped. Because when I did this joint yesterday, it was not looking like it was gonna get done. Not by me anyway. Just like, in all seriousness, if I can do this, you can also do this. Now I do have a couple of marks on this from my hands. So let me I ordered some knockoff, what are them things called? I ordered like some of them knockoff cleaning sponges things off eBay. I mean off of Amazon. So let me get some of that and let me clean up these marks and stuff on here. And oh, that looks so good. Well, whatever these are, they're little knockoff cleaning sponges, and they are really good for getting stuff off. I'll put a link in the description below. I think I paid like $10 for 25 of them or something like that. I don't like how my letters are deformed on back of the seat. Like they're not going straight across. But oh man, look at this. Oh, now this is not straight. This probably needs to go up, or this needs to come down. But for me, being my first time, I mean, I am stoked. Because yesterday this was not looking like it was going to be done. So yes, big shout out to this old trike for his video of him doing the 350X seat cover, because his little tip about using the adhesive on the curve of the seat is the only reason why this seat cover is on this bad boy now, looking good. Woo! Good God Almighty! Damn! Look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. The bike looks like crap right now because ain't nothing on it. Everything is off of it. Y'all probably already seen the new tire episode, the new tube and tire episode. Oh, I need to fix that front corner right there. But oh, good God Almighty! Yeah, I think I'm gonna take that fabric. I think I'm gonna cut it so it's not showing on the bottom. That looks like crap. I think I'm gonna cut it and then staple it right up to it. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my goodness! I never thought that I was gonna get that seat cover on after yesterday. Oh. So yeah, if you are doing a seat cover like this, a Honda C50 or a dirt bike, or like my 85 125 seat where it has that curve on it like this, use the spray adhesive, and I would put like the Loctite 3M and a few others in the description. That is what made the difference, is being able to glue that fabric down on that curve. Woo! I didn't think it was gonna work. I ain't gonna lie to you. I did not think it was going to work. But look at it. Look at it. Good God Almighty. Alright, I'm excited. So yeah, I'm gonna work on this corner. I'm gonna cut the fabric. I'm gonna cut that fabric off that's going down the bottom. It looks terrible from the back of the bike. So yeah, this is it. So think, build, enjoy. I'm out.